Well, I love the Evolution saw over the old D-Walk disc grind your way through a piece of pipe, but instead of just dust, the new saw leaves these pretty sharp little flakes and slivers. That's nasty for around the shop, so I built myself a little table. Everything falls down on my back. I got the pan right here, it's still drying. But it's pretty good. I had to make it where it was able to turn because it's got 45-degree angles both directions. And some still may get out on the ground, but you know what? It is what it is. There you have it. And it's on rollers. So I can roll it where I need it.